Oh, this is gonna be a little live trading session. The audio was a little messed up, so I'm gonna just do a voiceover for it. But you know, coming into the morning, I made me a smoothie. That hoe was so good, bro. That hoe smacked. I ain't gonna lie to you. Goop, 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 goop. Look, shoot ass. Anyway, well, I'm finna hop into the chart. Okay, so that's an L I took on USD CAD. Minor L. That's like my only L on the week so far. But I caught that move right there to the downside. We gonna see if we mark it up, do our little drawings and stuff. But let's go ahead and fast forward it up. So that's a little 15-minute fair value gap that I entered this trade on. You hear me? So this the setup I took on Monday. 15-minute fair value gap, came up, retested it, caught a 1 to 4, easy setup, base hits. It was only like 70 pips, but easy. But I had a bullish bias on the day because yesterday it took off to the upside, so kind of had a bullish bias. Wanted to see a pullback into like this range. You see that 0.5 on the fib? I wanted to see a pullback into there to play the upside, but right now I'm marking up my highs and lows of days with those red dotted lines and these blue ones. The high and lows of days are key. Like, them hoes are key. They come through every single time, especially when zones are lined up with it. Golden. That's my setup every single time. A zone lined up with the high and low of day. But right here, I see that breaker block, and I was like, dang, I could take this. But the risk reward on it was trash, so I ended up not taking it. That's just a crypto. But this is USD CAD. So I'm getting ready to enter a trade. I'm about to open up my software and shit. So market opens and it just instantly just shoots up to the upside from that setup that I had drawn out. But the risk reward was trash on it. You see, like, it's not enough green for me. I want to see a better reward. So I ended up not taking it. Just the key is just to stay patient and sit on your hands and literally just wait for market to present what it wants to do and show its hand. It'll show its hand every single day at like 9:40, 9:50, 10 o'clock. It'll show its hand every single day on what it wants to do. And you just got to be patient and wait and capitalize. Easy money. Not easy, but easy. So that's gold. That was just some bullshit I drew for another video. But I was just trying to look at a gold setup. But yeah, the only Nas was looking the cleanest to me. Everything else was looking kind of trash. So right here, I'm looking for SMT because Nas and SPX are very correlated. So like if Nas or they move similarly. So I'm just trying to find similarities and see if highs are getting swept on one pair versus the other. So I see that Nas took out some highs on I just see that Nas took out some highs that SPX didn't, which means that SPX is stronger and you should probably take the trade on SPX, but hell nah, we just gonna stick to Nas. Nas be doing this big one every time. So right here, a lot of people would get FOMO and feel like the trade's leaving them, but you can't do that because you're not gonna get a good position in entry. You want to get a clean risk reward and a clean entry. So you just got to be patient and fight that urge and have discipline to be able to just sit in the trade and wait for it to pull back. Like a lot of people are getting FOMO on this right here. So I want it to pull back right there into that 5-minute fair value gap. See? And it starts going down. comes up, I don't care. If it doesn't touch up there, I don't get in. It is what it is. If it leaves me, like, I'm to a point where I'm so disciplined to where if that hoe leaves me, I don't care. I'll come back tomorrow and take another setup. The market ain't going nowhere. It's gonna be here tomorrow. So you gotta just look at it like that. So yeah, I wanted to pull up to there so I can get a clean, nice, precise, precision entry. And I want to target them lows in that fair value gap, that blue shaded area I got marked down there. So it's pulling back up, and yeah, just waiting for that entry. I'm about to pull the trigger. Boom, pull the trigger right there. And then I think I enter one more, like right here or right there or something. But I'm in this trade now. Got our stop losses set, and we gonna see it run. So it's that really that simple. Just wait for a market structure shift. We got that. We got a gap. It pulled back to it. We got that. The high and lows of days. We got that. Some type of higher time frame P array, 5 minute plus. We got that. And right now I'm just looking at US 30 because I want to start seeing it work its way down, because US 30 and NAS are sort of correlated. You can use them for confluence. So right here I'm a little nervous because US 30 is pushing up heavy. So I'm like, damn, I kind of want to see US 30 reverse. Luckily it taps that zone and starts reversing. And NAS is just to the downside already. Ain't waste no time. So I'm drawing up my fib to see levels to take profit, and look, it's just running. Ain't wasting no time. And we in there. Right now I'm up like a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 on my risk reward. Getting behind the scenes. Look how many times I be rubbing my nose and shit. I be nervous. That shit funny. But I remember this. It started to pull back, and I wanted to pull back to like that order block so I can enter another small position, because you want to make your winners big. So like if you can enter another tiny position and just control your risk, move stop losses to break even and shit, like you want to make your winners big as fuck and then keep your losers tiny. So I try to add, when I'm in a winning position, I try to add more to the trade. I see right here, the trade just running to the downside, moving and moving. I'm just chilling. I'm just watching it, watching price action, trying to get TP getting hit on camera and shit. But yeah, this is a solid trade. I really give this trade like an A. The only reason I wouldn't give it an A plus is because it's counter trend. But if the counter trend setup is there, pull the trigger. Okay. And then TP finna hit right here. It went a little past my TP. I really already should have took profit, but you know, it had a lot of volume. It was moving down a lot. I wasn't seeing no volume back to the upside, so I was confident it was gonna just keep running. I don't think I still haven't even taken profit yet, to be honest. Let's see. Yeah, I think I took profit. Now I'm just watching my runners. I secure like 80%. So that's another thing. If you don't want to like have fear of missing out on a big move, secure 80% and just let 20% run, so you can still be in the trade and like capitalize, so you won't have FOMO. So I'm using the Hikinachi sticks. Those, like, I like to see them stay red. You kind of use that as confluence. The Hakinachis, they're just an average. Hey, y'all seen this whole live, bro? I literally called this whole. So, yeah. What I do, this is what I do every single day. Y'all fuck with me. Hope y'all enjoy this little live trading session. And this trade's still running. I have runners. I close like 80% of the trade. I have it going all the way down here. But hey, yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next video, next trading session. And God bless y'all. Glory to the Most High. And y'all stay focused, keep grinding, and lock in. No cap.